So as you guys know, Apple just went ahead and released the brand new iPhone 17 lineup, and I personally want to go to talk about the iPhone 17 Air, just because this is the thinnest iPhone that's ever made, coming in at 5.6 millimeters in size, and also on top of that, it's just a new phone that's coming to the overall lineup. So let's go and get straight into the video. Let's go and talk about the iPhone 17 Air. So like I said, you guys, so Apple went ahead and announced the iPhone 17 Air during their all-dropping event on the 9th of September. And so far, I mean, the iPhone 17 Air, it looks pretty decent in my opinion. We do got some new colorways coming through with it, and I got some questions as well that I really want to get answers to. I hope so, but I don't know, man. And iPhone 17 Air does come in a couple great colors. We do get a sky blue, a space black, light gold, and also cloud white. And it looks like that what's happening is that Apple is taking away like the pro colors and bringing them over to the iPhone Air, which that's one of my biggest questions is, why are we doing that? Because to me, I'd rather see the iPhone Air in like that cosmic orange and that deep blue, and then, you know, whatever with the silver color that we have as well. I want to continue to be, you know, to be able to purchase like a silver or a white or even a black iPhone Pro. I mean, it makes sense to me, like straight up though. But moving forward and everything, so the iPhone 17 Air is going to be powered by the same exact chip that's going to be inside the iPhone Pro models, which is going to be the A19 Pro Bionic chip. Now, this chip right here is definitely going to be providing us with a lot of great features in it, because Apple themselves told us that pretty much this chip has the same exact computing power as a MacBook Pro, which that's just crazy in my opinion. I'm not for sure why people need so much, but then again, with AI coming out with new technologies and new different ways to like use everything, and even with Apple themselves have Apple Intelligence, I'm assuming this is just like a future-proof, you know, chip that they have, you know, implemented in their phones. Then let's go and move over to the camera aspect from the iPhone 17 Air. We do get an all new feature that's to the iPhones at least, because we've been had this on iPad. This is going to be the center stage mode. We do have this at an 18 megapixel system in here, and honestly, it's about time that Apple went ahead and gave us this mode, because I mean, we should have been had it in my opinion. I mean, I would say that iPhone should have really had this way before an iPad, but then again, I don't know what the problem was back then, like straight up. Let's go to move over to the back of the camera as well. We do actually go ahead and get a 48 megapixel camera system in the back as well for our main and 2x telephoto as well. So that's going to be very great for those people that's purchasing this new device. I'm personally trying to figure out really who is the iPhone 17 Air for, just because it only has one camera on the back. You know, I feel like that's kind of like iPhone SE stuff, but you know, hey, it is what it is. And even on the screen of the iPhone 17 Air as well, this screen right here does have a new anti-reflecting coat on it as well. So therefore, when we're outside, you know, or even inside the house, we may have some type of lights on or whatever. We shouldn't be able to see too many glares anymore, or we may not see glare at all. You know, it may be something that's like with the Mac, how they have that nano texture. I'm not 100% for sure on how that's going to work, but I'm hoping that it's something like that. But then also on top of that, they do have this phone coming in at 3000 nits of brightness as well. So therefore, even without the anti-reflecting coat, you can be outside and you can still see everything as clear as day on your model phone. Now then, let's go and move over to the battery life as well. Now the battery life on the phone, even though it is the thinnest iPhone that's made, they still say that we are still going to be able to receive like all day battery life, or as they say, they want to say like up to like 27 hours of video playback. I don't get the whole video playback stuff. I just wish I would say we got 27 hours of battery life and call it a day. But hey, I guess Apple got to do different things, being, you know, it's Apple. Well, anyway, guys, let me know, what do you guys think about the iPhone 17 Air? Would you guys personally go pick up this phone? Because this phone does start at a price point of only $999. And also on top of that, the base model is going to be at the 256 gigabyte option. So let me know, would you guys go pick up this iPhone 17 Air? We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.